Let's test your science brain. Here's a quick question. What's the difference between speed and velocity? Think you know? Let's find out. Which one of these is the correct definition? Think carefully and make your choice. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is C. Velocity includes a direction, while speed does not. But let's break it down. Speed tells us how fast something is going. For example, 60 kilometers per hour. But velocity tells us how fast and in which direction, like 60 kilometers per hour east. Look at these two cars. Both have the same speed, but because they're going in opposite directions, their velocities are different. Let's say you run in a full circle. Even if you ran fast, your starting and ending point are the same, so your velocity is 0. But your speed, not 0, you were moving the whole time. So next time someone says speed and velocity are the same, set them straight. And if you like this quiz and explanation, don't forget to subscribe for more.